Hello everybody, my name is Mohammad Umar Farooq. I am from class 40. Today my topic is going to be human organs. The human body has 5 human organs, but I'm going to tell you 4 human organs. Now let's start with kidneys. Kidneys filter the blood and remove the waste materials from our body as we make life we live and grow. The waste materials are called urea and ammonia. Kidneys are very important part of our body because they mash the waste materials and they are diluted into water. The waste materials are diluted into water and we excrete them as urine. The kidneys are located in either sides of our body. You can see here. They are located. Now let's go to our second one, lungs. We breathe air into our lungs. Lungs are part of our respiratory system. They are located in our chest, protected by our rib cage. Rib cage is basically a shield over the lungs because lungs are very sensitive. Because that's why there is a shield over them which we call rib cage. The air containing oxygen and the air we take out containing carbon dioxide, this process is called breathing. It means that when we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, this process is called breathing. The air we take in is such a good quantity from the air we exhale, because carbon dioxide is just a totally waste by our body, a waste gas. This makes me wonder, the waste which is of gas is carbon dioxide and the waste materials are urea and ammonia. Wow. Now let's move to our third organ. That's name is the heart. The heart pumps blood all around our body. It means it is the heart which is giving you blood all around the body. But how blood travels through the body? This makes me wonder too. Now let me tell you. I learned from the book. The blood travels through tubes called blood vessels. You can see, I can make a vessels. Here are our vessels, and these are all connected with our heart, and they give blood to our body. The heart, blood, and blood cells and blood vessels too make up the circulatory system. We have millions of blood cells in our body, as you know. They are also getting their blood. Like there are I don't know, there are many types of blood cells, but as I know, there are 2 types of blood cells. I know 2 types. The first one is red blood cells. The second one is white blood cells. And now let's move to our last organ, brain, which is very important. It's like very important. The brain, nerves, and spinal cord make up the nervous system. The brain is the control center of your whole body. It means he is the boss of your body. He is just controlling you like a puppet show. You are a puppet in front of him. He is controlling you by some rubber bands. And it does millions of tasks for us, like thinking, playing. These are all of things which our brain is doing, and we are not even thinking about them. The million tasks that our brain does for us, literally just for us. Thank you, absolutely, Mr. Brain. You know that brain also controls, as you know, it is the control center of our body. It also controls the emotions. How types of emotions? If you have seen some bad people drink bad things such as alcohol, when you put their hand on the fire, they would feel nothing because their brain would be not working, and the brain will not give them the messages to their hand that take your hand up, your hand is burning. They are not getting the messages because they are in a big bad thing. So guys, I have told you these 4 types of organs which are very important for our body, and these organs all together work together. This is like, as we learn, the blood vessels, blood cells and the heart make up the circulatory system. These 3 types of things are making up a system. They are making up a system. So guys, please, and now I think I have to say goodbye to you.